Hey guys, hope you're doing good. This is Priyanka, your friend and your skincare guide. Well, today we are going to discuss about some really super secret remedies. So you know what? Well, I'm going to be telling you about preparing your own personal and natural mixture combined of essential and carrier oils. Well, I already know that many of you might already have heard about these oils, but I'm going to give you a brief sketch about these oils. Well, carrier oils are known as vegetable oils and are highly known for their dilution propensity. They act as base oils, and while making your DIY, they are always in higher quantity in comparison to the essential oils. Essential oils are extracted by steam distillation technique, and these are applied on the skin after combining with the base oil. Essential oils like lavender, rosemary or tea tree oil provide you with multiple benefits and are used to treat your hair, nail and skin. If you're still looking for these oils, you can go online and purchase them from Shoprythm online store. I have done the same, and for your ease, I have given the link in the description below. If you're new to this channel, you can subscribe to our channel by clicking on the bell icon for more updates. Now let's get into this DIY.
Ingredients required: Sweet Almond Oil 90 ml, Rosemary Essential Oil 5 ml, Bergamot Essential Oil 5 ml. This video contains the most effective DIY for the hair growth, shiny appearance and hair stimulation. Let's get started. To create this DIY, follow these rules. Add 90 ml of the Sweet Almond Oil as your base oil provided 100 ml of the bottle. Then add 5 ml of Rosemary Essential Oil in it together 5 ml of Bergamot Essential Oil. How these oils boost hair growth and its stimulation? Starting from the first, Sweet Almond Oil has the finest properties solving hair issues. Rich in vitamin B7, biotin, it helps to keep hair healthy and shiny, reduces dryness and flakiness. It improves the texture of your hair. Rosemary Essential Oil has many properties and is suitable for hairs too. It helps the hair to get thick. It has the ability to improve cellular generation, hair growth, one of the preferred hair growth DIY treatment. Bergamot Essential Oil is best to solve the hair issues. Help to promote the hair growth. It keeps the hair scalp healthy. It soothes the irritating scalp. Best nature simulant. Improves the blood circulation throughout the scalp. While applying this DIY blend of hair growth and stimulation on your scalp, make sure you mix the base and essential oil well to experience the best results. This is one of the unbeatable DIY which you can prepare at your home to keep your hair healthy and shiny.